What's up guys, Greg here with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today I just wanted to proudly announce that cyberpower has sent me the parts for my PC. If you remember, it was broken pretty badly. The front of the case and the USB tray were both cracked. This is what it looked like. I was pretty disgusted when I got this back, but I'm proud to say that they sent me the parts I needed, and eventually it got fixed. So they did what they had to. So it took I'd say about 3 months to hear back from them about the front of the case, and I included pictures of the USB tray. After that, I just received the front of the case with no USB tray. So I then emailed them again, and they sent me pretty quickly this time the whole USB assembly. This came with the wires, the tray, and everything. I actually only needed the tray, so I just snapped it off, and as you can see, the front of my PC looks beautiful now. So I'm pretty confident that if you buy a PC from cyberpower, they will eventually fix any problems that you may have. I know lots of people get a computer from cyberpower and they don't have any issues. So I unfortunately was one of the unlucky ones, but I'll tell you, they did fix all the problems. They rebuilt the computer twice, replaced multiple parts, and then when I could fix it myself, they sent me out the parts for the case and the USB tray. So thanks cyberpower, and if you're thinking about buying a computer from them, I would not shy away. They do a great job.